Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing a comparison of AVAHR and Multiplier, the HR Tech Hunger Games. Yes, may the odds and your compliance paperwork be ever in your favor. Let's be real. Managing global teams is hard than explaining blockchain to your grandma. You've got AVAHR, which is the robot HR assistant, and we have Multiplier, the international payroll wizard. Both are promising to solve your HR headaches. But which one actually works without giving you new headaches? Grab your coffee and maybe an aspirin as we break it down with more drama than an office birthday party. AVAHR versus Multiplier, the HR Tech Smackdown. Let's look at the category of special powers. You see, AVAHR, also known as the robot recruiter, screens resumes while you nap, while Multiplier, also known as the global payroll ninja, hires people in 150 countries, 150 plus countries during your lunch break. So who wins? It's a tie. It's like choosing between coffee and more coffee. Moving on, what is it best for? AVAHR is best for high volume recruiting, while Multiplier is best for global expansion without the migrants. So who wins? AVAHR wins if you're looking at hiring aspects, and Multiplier wins if you're looking for global ops. So let's look at automation category. AVAHR interviews candidates via chatbots, which kind of awkward. While Multiplier automates international compliance. That's a blessing. So who wins? Multiplier by a landslide. Let's look at the weirdest feature. AVAHR has the weirdest feature for rejecting candidates for bad vibes, while Multiplier explains foreign labor laws using memes. So who wins the awkward or weirdest feature category? AVAHR for being hilariously judgy, rejecting candidates for bad vibes. Imagine that. Anyway, let's move on to the creep factor. AVAHR has a 5 out of 10 in this factor because it knows when you slack off, while Multiplier has 8 out of 10 because it knows every international tax loophole. So who wins? Multiplier wins at being scarily competent. Let's move on to pricing. AVAHR is affordable until you need features, while Multiplier, when it comes to the enterprise grade plan, you should also call it sell a kidney plan. So who wins? AVAHR is best for small teams, so AVAHR wins. Last, learning curve. When it comes to the category of learning curve, AVAHR is grammar friendly, while Multiplier requires UN translator. So wins AVAHR for simplicity. Now let's look at the cold hard truth. Who should use what? Well, choose AVAHR if your hiring process involves more resumes than a paper factory. And also choose AVAHR if you want AI to judge candidates so you don't have to. Also choose AVAHR if your company culture means free coffee and desperate hope. Now choose Multiplier if your team is more international than the UN. Choose Multiplier if your payroll taxes gives you nightmare. And choose Multiplier if you enjoy saying our team works across 42 countries at parties. So what am I saying? AVAHR equals to the over-eager HR intern who lives on coffee, while Multiplier equals to the scary smart accountant who knows offshore tax havens. Well, you can decide to use both. It might make you so efficient you work yourself out of a job. Isn't that ironic? Are you still confused? Here is a cheat list. Need to hire fast? Choose AVAHR. Going global? Choose Multiplier. Want to keep your sanity? Maybe hire an actual HR person. Just kidding. Robots are cheaper. Now go forth and manage, or at least pretend to, while the robots do the actual work. Hope you found this video helpful.